All right, so I am looking at the same chart that I talked about a little bit ago. Um, I got in short here and recorded the video somewhere around here. So this was um, not quite a percent of the victory. Victory is the wrong word. Anyways, I was down here. I was waiting to see if it would break this level I was using. Um, it did not. It's pulled back quite a bit, and what I'm looking at now is potential adding into this to make it a bigger position. So what I would potentially see is I'll just give it like an area like that. Poke above, new double top, and then another new engulfing bar. So um, I'm hoping to see something like that happen within, I mean, really within up to up to the top of this where I've marked out the high. This is my limit line. That doesn't mean anything actually. So, anyways, I'm there waiting for that to happen. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and come back with any more thoughts I have. I didn't realize I always itch my face right when I'm starting to record. um, anyways, this is actually a different pair, Euro USD. Looking at a limit entry for short in here. Um, and actually, since I'm active, I'm gonna cancel the limit and just look for an entry somewhere in this area here. So instead, I'm gonna set an alarm as it pulls back up into here. Um, yeah, this is a nice kind of picturesque double top where it pokes out above the previous and fails. So a little liquidity grab before going lower. So I'll look for a retracement and engulfing bar as it comes up into the orange box area. I am watching this one as well for a long. In here, so this is a high time frame idea. It's too big for me to, well, actually, I can do position building here. So I will look to start. I just got my alert over here. So to be clear, I will enter on this one if I see a poke up into here with engulfing bar following. This guy here, like as well. And I think I'm going to work on a long-term, a bigger picture position building here. So if this finishes out with the engulfing bar, I'll take that as a break and test and moving up. And if not, I have all this area to build into more of a position. So watching a bunch of stuff right here. So I'm gonna keep it rolling. Up here is looking for a failed poke up here with a gulf. So one more bar with a tail or just a big gopher bar. And I'll add in here. This one still waits to push up a little bit higher. It's kind of slow moving though, kind of slow. That's all right. I'm watching this guy as well. It's just gonna be a little bit longer to set up. All right, I'm gonna pause for a minute. Okay. First one of these ones I've been waiting on is coming into play. This is a nice big engulfing bar. Right after coming up as high as I wanted it to, 15 seconds. Once it's done building this bar, then I can decide. And this is a pretty short-term trade. All right, jump in there. For short. And I will set a target. Field to go higher. Start in there somewhere. See what else is going here. This guy I might add in too. Set an alarm up here if it decides to come back up. Opportunity to add. This one I'm looking for an engulfing bar. Lower. Okay, for this guy, I am looking for a new break and test here. So this one's got a little bit longer to go. This one is the big picture trade. It may very well want to come down a little bit further first. Okay, this one's getting pretty close. 30 seconds or so. This is just what I want to see though. Poke up here with the big engulfing. So I can add back in. Not add back in, add in. I am about halfway. Yeah, about halfway. Stop loss, which is about right. Never mind. That's why I wait till the end of the candle. All right, I'm gonna pause again. Okay, let's guys try it again here. And I'll add in there with that engulfing bar. That is an add into a losing position, but part of my strategy here. So if I can come on, just try to remove stinking. There we go. All right, so with an add, I do this briefly. So this gets you an idea of where break even is, which will be right back there. Like that. And so far so good. It's still possible to come up here, stop me out. I'm not saying it's guaranteed or anything, but what's great about these is that as if it does continue in the direction I wanted it to, then I have a bigger position ready to ride down. So I like that. And I think that's going to be the end of this one for the moment. I don't want it to be too long so that I can come back and watch it. So I'll say farewell for now.